Reagan years, they had kind of a revolution there. And the U.S. Army went down there and basically killed all the revolutionaries. And we were down there after all that happened, and the song is about a guy down there that runs a water taxi service. He's got himself a long green boat. He's got himself a nice size old boat, swinging back and forth. He left the door unlocked the night before. Church, to a restaurant and I go St. George. He gave up all he knew for the help of other folks. Skims across the water back and forth from Greenwich Beach to the village of St. George. Commodore Peter wants to know where are you going? Gonna take you home, to the market, or the church, or to a restaurant.